Great news! For a lifetime fee of $0 and 0 cents, the most important tool for your beard care journey, especially for the beginners, would be your hands. We're going to talk about it today, you guys. Truly the most important tool you don't have to buy. You just got to find the right techniques on how to use them. And then I'm going to give you guys a couple little tidbits in here and there to show, hey, careful with this. Let's make sure we do that. If you guys appreciate that, interact with the video. This is Dead Man's Beard Co. YouTube channel. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I do beard stuff for a living, and I've partnered with Bryant, the owner of Dead Man's, to come out with every Friday an educational video, kind of helping out those new beardsmen on some of those questions you might not want to ask, maybe you didn't think of, but we're going to put out there to the community for free. Come on now, I appreciate you guys. Get involved in the comments. So, all right, Dad, tell me this sales pitch for these free hands here. Now, of course, we want to look at things like combs and brushes. Super important. If you guys are looking for something, check out the Dead Man's website. They have a great boar's bristle brush. They have great comb options. Sincerely, you cannot go wrong with those. But today, I want to talk about the hands. The hands are going to be involved with many aspects of beard care. Number one, applying products. Duh, of course, we're going to apply them with our hands. We're going to apply the oil and then to our hands and then throughout the beard. We're going to melt the butter, melt the balm, and then apply to the beard. Got it. Understood. Wash, conditioner, everything. Yes. But also, don't let it be lost on how easy it is to train and style your beard with your hands. But Dan, isn't touching your beard bad? This is where it gets really important. You simply need to be conscious of what you're doing. Having the habit of caressing your beard over and over and over again is not the best thing. Picking and pulling and twisting at your beard is quite possibly the worst thing. Those are not good. I'm not advocating for those. I'm not recommending those. However, if you are very conscious about what you're doing and your beard is not quite in the style that you want, it is a great option to use your hands to dial in that style. Bring the hair here, lock it in. If you're a beginner, kind of pat it in nice and tight. Couple of key things to consider. Number one, are your hands clean? Go wash your hands, you nasty. All right, sanitizer's not enough. Wash your hands and especially get underneath your fingernails and on your fingertips. If you're going to be applying products, you want those hands to be clean, right? Clean dogs go in the beard only. Let's make a shirt out of that. And then beyond that, a couple of other things. How are your calluses? How are your fingernails? If you have really sharp calluses or fingernails and you're running through your beard, you could be doing damage. Dan, I work outside. I work out a lot. I don't want to use lotion. I'm not going to use a pumice stone. It is what it is. No worries. Just be conscious of it. As you're adjusting your beard and running your hands through your beard or styling, just make sure you don't feel any tangles or snags or catching your beard. If it is the callus part, just try to use your fingertips. Don't use that portion of the pad of your hand. Maybe just go palm with it. If it's really extreme, you can also use the outside of your hand. That's not my style. Just doesn't feel right or have the same results, but many do that. But your hands will be used. You can also massage the skin underneath your beard, which is fantastic. It promotes blood flow, which helps beard growth and health. It also releases oxytocin, which is that happy chemical that's going to help out your beard. So yes, we can talk about the tools that you can buy that can help, but we really want to think about those hands and the things that we can be doing, but also be conscious of the things you should not be doing. Do not become habitual with touching it, playing with it. Do not have dirty hands, and don't have hands that are going to damage the beard. So I know that probably was not the direction people would think when we were talking about beard tools and what to do in the beginning, but it's really about doing it the right way. It's not about just selling stuff. But if you are looking for some of the highest quality products and tools, customer service, and experience, from the bottom of my heart, give Dead Man's a look today, you guys. Even if you just go browse their website, let us know what you think down in the comments. Questions, thoughts, experiences, light it up, you guys. Have a fantastic week ahead. I'll see you next Friday.